We will be using Microsoft Excel 2010. If you are using another version, that's fine, because the alterations are very minimal. Set up your graph so that in column A and B, you have your x1 and y1. Set up your column C and D so they contain your x2 and y2. Columns E and F will be your x3 and y3, and finally, columns G and H will be your x4 and y4. First, select your data from columns A and B. Then go to Insert, Scatter, and the first box in Scatter. You can move the chart by selecting Move Chart and then moving it to a new sheet. Then select the data points, right-click, and then Add Trend Line. Check Display Equation and R-squared value on chart. You can move around the equation as well as the R-squared value on the chart as needed. Select the data points again, right-click, and then go to Select Data. Add a new series, title it whatever you want, and then select for Series X Values 2. Go back to your first sheet and select the data from column C. Then for your Y values, select the data from column D. Again, select the data points, go to Add Trend Line, and then select Display Equation and display R-squared value on chart. Again, you can move it around as needed. You're going to continue to do this for the remainder of your values. Then go to Layout, Chart Title, and above Chart, and label it whatever you want. Then go to Axis Titles, Horizontal, and below Axis, and label it whatever you want. Then return to Axis Titles, Vertical, and Rotated Title. Now that you've completed the graph, find the slope that is closest to the true value of RH. Also, remember that the negative slope equals the positive RH value.